long day. We need to go back. Masaya lang tayo.
Oh, masaya na. Kawan ni energy.
Uwi na ta kay
Naurasaw. Snake na.
And then, money among surroundings. I am going to have a room tour and a hotel tour because
as requested by
my colleague, Geraldine Jola, has requested for a room tour. And here is the proof that we're gonna be eating ginamos for the coming days. So, we're at Rangnam Place. This is the hotel. It is called Picnic Hotel. So let's come inside.
Baby.
Sobrang bango. The cleanest smell ever. And here are the people.
Bango dito.
Ha?
Bango.
Antayin na lang muna natin silang makaakya.
Chill muna tayo, be.
Tapos, ito yung waiting area. And of course, the reception. Very accommodating and very kind.
Diyan, ano dyan? Breakfast buffet, yeah.
I've reached my, walk
goal.
Okay, so, empty na yung hallway. So, we can go upstairs. Guys, bear with me because I am so tired. Tingnan nyo, pumutok yung shorts ko nung nag-CR ako.
Nagubo ang kwan?
Yung botones.
Di ka nakapagpigil, no?
Guman yan.
She-hook kasi yan, she-hook.
Parang ilang floors lang siya. Hindi naman siya, parang medium rise lang siya na building. But
mid-rise.
It's very modern. And it has a touch of Thailand interior.
Siyempre, kinastyle.
Yeah, of course. So, nasa third floor kami. Yes, that's my husband right there. So, this is our floor.
Our? Nakadito lo? No good.
This is where we're staying.
Alone.
Alright?
Sorry.
So, may dami niyang dito, welcome area or waiting area. You can stay anywhere. The Wi-Fi is accessible anywhere without any password. It's strong, it's okay. And just a disclosure, we only spent 6,000 plus for our entire stay, which is from October 13 to October
18.
So, isa yan sa mga pride ng Thailand because their accommodation is really very cheap and it's very good. Sobrang, hindi mo masasabi na may masasabi ka. Pero depende pa rin sa reviews sa Agoda. So, I suggest, if you want to consider this hotel, read the reviews and make sure that magbusisi ka talaga para hindi magsisi sa stay mo, okay? I'll give you a very quick room tour.
Hugar ba itong kwarto, ha?
Pero sa focus ang mga let's go. Sadan! Kamot! Okay, come in. Dirty first, lock everything. So this is the place where we hang our clothes. First thing that we did upon arrival is that we put everything in order. Tapos nilista ko na lang siya para mabilis ako mag-checklist before we go. So I have my we have our used clothes and our shoes here, and our bags and everything.
Kini, naam ko diya.
Oh yeah, this is the this safety deposit box that we don't use because we bring our money everywhere we go. So this is the toilet, the bathroom. So here's my makeup area. This is the
blower,
and then of course the sink, which is very big, and then our supplies here. Guys, FYI, lahat na sinupply nila sa amin na complimentary. Dadalhin namin as souvenir, as what we did in Palawan, right? And of course, we replaced it with everything that we needed. And then the shower, not cold, but hindi rin siya warm. But basically, parang warm lang siya. And then ito, it's clean. So it has bidet, ayaw pagsaka. And then, place where you can hang your...
Isud sila.
So, here is where I place all my gadgets. Medyo nakat lang kami because we were like caught off guard. May pumasok pala dito and who cleaned our mess. Messes. So, wala na kaming empty na yung mga trash bins and then, okay, may another na naman kami na mga linens. I mean, ano yun? Towel. And then, of course, we have 2 complimentary water every day. And then, dalawa ring. Dami na namin coffee, oh. Coffee. So, it's Thailand brand. And then, this mini ref, which has some of our products that we bought yesterday. So, ito, galing Taguig.
Dinala namin. Kasi enough namin yung ref namin sa bahay, may sira, sayang, di ba? Tsaka itong mayo din, dinala namin.
Yes.
Actually, dinala namin itong dalawa.
Bumili lang kami ng with bread. And then ito, sobra ko kaninang umaga. And then my cake. And then, of course, the...
Bento squid.
And
raisins.
The rice. And then the water.
Raisins.
And then, some canned goods. And
paano mag-mention ng raisins?
Raisins, of course. Okay, Vince raisins. And then, coffee. It's mokona. And then, some green peas. And then, sardinas. And, I don't know if it's like...
Tuna.
Tuna or pork.
Tuna.
Tuna. Okay, so we're gonna move forward. So, here's our luggages. And then, the TV is not connected in...
Cable.
It's not a cable TV, but it's... okay lang. Smart TV naman siya. Hindi lang siguro namin alam paano
Hindi namin maintindihan yung palabas kasi ano.
Yeah. Office area. I'm just gonna put my computer here whenever I do need it. And then, the balcony that we cannot open. We don't know how to open.
Hindi kailangan open kasi may aircon din kasi
dyan. Aircon din naman yung andun sa labas. So, we close it. And then, here is the living room. Very minimal, maliit na living room. Ta-da! And then, one thing that I love about here is the lampshade that's over the head, no? It's very
parang kukunin ka ng alien, be.
Huh?
Parang kukunin ka ng alien.
And then, telephone and some notepads. And then, side bed lamp. Here's the king size bed. I requested for a king size bed kasi hindi ganito kalaki bed namin sa bahay. Queen size lang kami. Superior queen size. So, I wanted very spacious. Pero didikitan pa rin kami matulog. Kasi nga, clingy siya eh.
Oo, ako talaga.
And then, it's a very durable bed. I have to break the rules.
Mandawi po, matayin eh. Uy, pa kay hygiene, B.
Oh, see, I have to break the rules eh. And also, Kevin's bedside lamp.
Yun, dyan to.
Okay. And then here. And then the remote for the TV. And then here's the interior. Look at that. It's very modern. It's very plain. But
solid yung ano ba yung mga paintings, no?
Hindi siya baduy. Pang hotel talaga siya na interior. Actually, it's a very decent place to stay at na. Sobrang malaking space dito. And then I have my area there. And then I can vlog later for my shopping haul vlog.
May shopping haul pa si
So that's just about it. And thank you, Adin, for requesting this.
Adin, ano na ha? Granted na ha?
Sige, bye! Hi everyone! So after the room tour, of course, I am going to show to you our shopping haul from the Chatuchak weekend market, the one that we have like presented to you kanina kung nasan kami. So these are the things that we bought. Actually, this is the first time that we bought, I don't know kung yung mga nabili ba namin before na mga Bangkok daw sa Philippines. We're really coming from Bangkok, but sobrang nasiyahan kami. We were amazed by the quality of the clothes in there. Like, when you look at the t-shirts or yung mga materials, parang plain lang siya from afar. But pag hinawakan mo siya, sobra palang makapal niya. 100% cotton siya. So, yun pala talaga yung famous dito. And hindi namin napigilan yung sarili namin na bumili ng some things. So, ito yung mga nabili namin. So, I just wanted to share to you. Some are for personal, some are for giveaways, some are for our wala. Nagustuhan lang namin, kaya binili namin. So, I'm gonna show it to you. So, what did I buy for myself? Of course, we're going to the temples tomorrow. So, I wanted to, like, mimic somehow the attire of the Thailand people. So, this is what they usually do when they go around here. So, meron silang ganito. So, I will be wearing this hat tomorrow. Sabay ng OOTD ko. Bagay ba, guys? Hindi ko alam kung gaganyanin ko. Ay, hindi. Ganyan lang talaga siya. So, this is my hat for tomorrow. So, we're gonna throw that away. Next is, I bought myself a bag. Well, you know naman na mahilig ako sa bags. Ito siya, same lang siya, pero sobrang ganda yung quality niya. This is the bag that I'll be using tomorrow. This is, I'm gonna be using tomorrow. Sobrang ano siya. Maganda yung quality niya, pero naninipisan ako dito, but I think it's going to be parang leather, na hindi naman super leather. I don't know how to describe it. Parang pang-fashion lang siya. I'm just gonna hope lang na lahat ng gusto kong dalhin tomorrow is kakasya dito bukas. Oh, diba? Ganda. So, other things that we bought are this. How do you say? Di ko baga kayo naman, di ba ikabasa? Mga therapeutic or mga oil massage oil, hindi siya oil eh, so parang panghilot siya. So it's intended really for panghilot. So we bought iba't ibang kulay for this, but ito yung na okay, so dalawa yung kinuha kong kulay. I cannot read it, guys. I'm so sorry. But mas matapang yata itong green. Itong yellow is not so, but ito yung naririnig na this is what we smell whenever we go inside like Nuwatay, yung mga Thai na mga spa. So binili namin. And then other things that we bought, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo about Kevin's t-shirt. So, Kevin bought 3 t-shirts for himself. Sobrang kapal niya. I don't even know saan to galing. Pwedeng bumili nito, tapos kami yung magpa-print. Ganon yung mga iniisip namin. Pero, sobrang kapal niya. Parang hindi siya, you're getting the value really of your money, but way more than that. Hindi siya, when you pay for that certain amount, parang times 3 yung value niya actually, if you're gonna buy it, kung hindi sa Chatuchak weekend market. So, ito yung isang design. And then, the other design, 3 yung binili niya. This one. Tadan! Ang cute, no? Bi, sakto dyan ini mo, Bi. I mean, sakto sa imuhang kasing tanon and all. And this one. Ah, diba? Some, ano ba to? Oh, shorts. Some shorts. We're not gonna tell, basta shorts. Gagmay man yun, pero sige.
Sakto ka ng papa?
Sakto din nila, oy. Mukha naman yun, oh. So, 1 shorts, pang lalaki na shorts. And then also 1 shorts.
Khaki color na.
Khaki. Doon siya kay comfortable. So comfortable kasi mas stretch mo lang siya. We purposely didn't bought that kind of like na bobotones dito because paano pag busog ka, di ba? Hindi mo na siya masusuot. Like me, what happened to my other? Tingnan niyo yung shorts ko. And then, candies na sabi dito, product of Thailand, Chatuchak Weekend Market, wrong foods are home foods. Dehydrated fruits. Bakit dinahydrate nila yung fruits?
Sabi na, Bi.
Pero sarap nito. Dami silang sample doon before ka bibili. So, ito yung nagustuhan namin. So, we bought 2 packs. We bought 2 wallets. So, isang kulay na ganito at saka isang kulay na ganito.
Or?
Yeah, basta. Parang siyang leather, but I doubt if it's really authentic leather, but it's really already very decent for the price.
Ang isa ngayon, tundo ka.
Mura kag kuan maninda og Yakult. Tara.
Oh, di ba? Kasi
Hindi ako ganun magtanaw sa kunang makita ko yan yung suya kay kag na. Abi mong kuan wallet patanaw gani sila. Ko ako kay mura kog kuan. Manindag saging.
hindi kita alalay ko rapika. Kila ka alalay ko rapika, Bi?
Wala.
Search mo na lang.
So, Kevin also bought this purse or wallet with, of course, Thailand baht money. Galing, no? Para lang mabilis kaming magano. So, he needs to buy that or else, baka pagdating niya ng Manila, babalik siya dito para lang dyan. Hindi siya makatulog. And then, of course, I promised myself to have new clothes from Thailand because I really love their fashion here. Tingnan lang natin bukas kung mapupull off ko, kung bagay ba sa build ng katawan ko, diba? So, and these are not all mine, but majority are mine. So, may isang ganito na shorts. Diba? Usually nakikita nyo to sa sa Philippines, may mga ganito. May maganda yung tela niya. I think hindi siya mabilis na tsaka breathable yung
Coffee.
May coffee pa si Kuya. Thank you, Ben. And this one is natin. Yan. Close natin yan. And I'll let you imagine. Pero I don't know if ano yung pipiliin ko na attire. So, tingnan na lang na. Also, duha di akong puti. Okay. I'll be giving the other one man. This one and ito yung kamatch niya. Ito yung kamatch niya. Anyways, I don't know. Tatlo pa lang ganito na yung isang kulay is brown. Pare-pareho rin akong napalit, di. So, and then this one is yung pantalon. Na sobrang comfortable because siya dito, stretchable. So, I don't know yet how to mix and match that tomorrow. But basically, yan yung magiging attire natin. Try natin din, di ba? Tapos kani. So, dalawa ako na. Nagdalit naman good me. So, like, I'm like picking anything that kanang i-offer sa babae and then I didn't realize na parehas akong nakuha na. And then, of course, last but not least, ihatag na to sa mga souvenirs. Some ref magnets. Hindi ko na naglalabas lahat, but it basically looks like that. Mga ref magnets na made in Thailand and would highly represent Thailand. And keychains. And then, hindi namin alam bakit ba blue. And then, this one is so cool. Currency nila. I mean, like, peso, bill nila. Pero ref magnet. So, it has like 20, 50, 100, 500, and then 1,000. So, ito yung mga ref magnets. Then, so, I need to drink my coffee now. I'm so happy na tapos na siya. Kapungkay. Kapungka. We always, we repeatedly like hear them say kapungka, and then we came to understand that it's thank you. And well, basically, we hear it in the train station, and whenever we like pay the things that we bought, magkakampungka siya. Kapunka. So, malalaman talaga nila na hindi ka taga rito kasi magta-thank you ka. Hindi kapun ka yung sasabihin mo. Kapun ka. So, that's just about it. I hope you did enjoy my very mini it's not shopping actually. Thailand stuff buying haul. Ganun lang yung tag natin. And I'll catch you again next time. Bye!